I know on this channel we talk a lot about making money, growing your investment portfolios, making money in cryptocurrency, but we rarely talk about saving money. So in today's video, I will give you 3 awesome apps that you can download right now in order to save money every single month. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. We all could use some extra money to invest in real estate, to buy stocks, to invest in cryptocurrencies so we can grow our money and have even more money in the long term. Now, let's talk about some awesome apps that you can start using right now in order to start saving money. Personally, I have been using all 3 of these apps for multiple years and I absolutely love them. So today, the stock market is down, the cryptocurrency market is down, everything is in the red, so I decided to make a video on how we can save some money, even though we're taking big losses in cryptocurrency right now. Alright, let's talk about the first app. The first app is GetUpside. This app is one of my favorites and I have been using this app since 2019 and I absolutely love it. The way this app works is very simple. It saves you money every time you buy gas at your local gas station. And in my opinion, it is super easy to use and can save you a boatload of money. All you have to do is download the app, create an account, link your credit card or debit card, and then you are ready to go. So let's say a couple days later, you need to fill up your gas tank. You are completely empty and you need some gas. All you have to do is open the GetUpside app and then it will show you the closest gas stations to you. As you can see right there, we have many gas stations to choose from. BP is giving us 84 cents off every single gallon of gas. Shell is giving us 87 cents. Circle K is giving us 85 cents. And then once you pick which gas station you want to go to, all you have to do is press the blue claim button. And then once you press the blue claim button, you will have 3 full hours in order to get to that gas station and fill your gas tank up. And then once you get to the gas station, all you have to do is press check in and then use that credit card that is linked to your GetUpside app and pay for your gas. And that is it. You do not have to take pictures of the receipts. You do not have to send receipts out anywhere. It is all super convenient and it will be able to save you a boatload of money on gas. And then once you fill your gas tank up in 24 hours, they will send you the credit in your GetUpside app. And you can use this money and cash out into many different gift cards. You can get a Walmart gift card, Amazon gift card, you can get a Pizza Hut, Domino's, Target, you can even get the money in your PayPal or they can send you a check straight to your house. It is absolutely amazing. As you can see right now, I have $150 that I can cash out. But if you look at how much money I have earned with this app so far, it is over $917. And I absolutely love it. Normally I cash out into my PayPal, that way I can take that money, put it in my bank account, and then transfer it over and buy some crypto or buy some stocks. Personally, I love the GetUpside app and it has a ton of benefits. So if you drive a lot and you spend a lot of money on gas, this app can help you out. Also, if you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or you deliver for Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash, and you spend a lot of gas, you can use this app and save a boatload of money in the process. Just imagine getting 15 cents off, 50 cents off, $1 off every single gallon of gas. Over time, this will add up quickly. But one thing that I personally like about the GetUpside app is you can link your favorite credit card. Me personally, I have a boatload of credit cards and they give me cash back. So now I'm earning cash back with my credit card and I am earning cash back with the GetUpside app. So once you put all of these savings together, I'm saving a boatload of money on gas. And I absolutely love how easy it is to use this app. Make sure you check out GetUpside app. Link will be in the description box below. If you use that link, you're going to get an additional 15 cents off every gallon of gas on your first purchase. So it is absolutely awesome. And now let's talk about the second app that can save you money. This app is called Fluce. Fluce saves you money on groceries, on fast food, all that good stuff. The way Fluce works is very simple. All you have to do is download the app, create an account, link your favorite debit or credit card, and then you're going to get major discounts on fast food, up to 35% off your order. As you can see, you can get 20% off Uber Eats, 20% off DoorDash. you can get 12% off Netflix, 15% off Hulu, 35% off Shopify, 35% off Domino's Pizza, 20% off Steak and Shake. They have a ton of places that you can save money on. For this example, we're going to use Domino's Pizza. Let's say you got friends coming over and you want to order some pizza. So you go on Domino's.com, you fill in your orders, you choose the pizzas that you want. Once you complete your order and it brings you to the final page where you're supposed to pay for the order, and it will give you your total. For this example, let's say we spent $100 even on Domino's Pizza. So instead of typing in your credit card and paying for the Domino's Pizza right there on that final page, you're going to open up the Flu's app, find Domino's Pizza, you're going to select it, and then right here you're going to enter in $100. Also, if it's $100.10, you're going to enter in $100.10. You are going to enter the exact order amount. So let's say it is $100 even. We're going to press continue, and then we will be able to confirm the order. So now Flu's will generate a gift card for you worth $100. So you're going to take that gift card information, go back over to Domino's Pizza and finalize your order, and you're going to pay for it with the Flu's gift card. Best of all, now you save 35% and you got back $35 in your Flu's account, which is absolutely amazing. So now for $100 worth of pizza, you only paid $75. As you can see, I have over $16 in my Flu's account right now, and I have cashed out over $220 so far. Personally, I do not eat a lot of fast food, so that is why it is this low. But for people that order a lot of fast food, that use Uber Eats, DoorDash, you can save a ton of money over time. So Flu's, in my opinion, is also another good app to save you money on food. Also, Flu's offers a ton of discounts for many places, from Shopify to Netflix to fast food restaurants to Nike to a bunch of different places. So if you shop online, make sure to use Flu's every time you shop. Also on Amazon, you can save money pretty much every time you shop online with Flu's. In my opinion, Flu's is an awesome app for the people that shop online, that eat a lot of fast food. You can save a ton of money in the process. Now I have showed you an app that can save you money on gas, an app that can save you money on food, and now an app that can save you money on your car insurance. And this app is called Root Car Insurance. Personally, I have been with Root for over 2 years. I absolutely love them. The simplicity of the app is amazing. The price that I'm getting to insure my vehicles, my Lotus, and my other daily drivers is absolutely amazing. I love how simple it is. I love the prices that I'm getting, the coverage. Overall, I am super satisfied with Root Car Insurance. Over the last 2 years, I have pretty much gotten my entire family to switch over to Root. My mother, sister, brother, pretty much everybody is insured with Root Car Insurance now. And all of them absolutely love it. I was going to pull the app up right there, but as soon as I opened it, it shows my account policy information and all of that stuff, and I did not want to share that on YouTube. But as you can see right there, I do have the app. I've been with Root Car Insurance for over 2 years. So with Root Car Insurance, you are able to save up to 50% on your car insurance, which in my opinion is absolutely amazing. The way they are able to offer such good rates and these major discounts is because they only insure good drivers. Once you download the Root Car Insurance app, you're going to start a test drive that lasts between a week or 2 weeks. So during that time, Root Car Insurance, the app, will be tracking how you drive for about 2 weeks. So during the test drive, they are going to track your driving, your acceleration, your braking, all of that stuff. And at the end of the test drive, they're going to give you a personalized rate. Best of all, the better you drive, the more money you are going to save. Also, if you are a reckless driver, if you're speeding, hitting 200 miles an hour, you probably will not even get a quote with Root Car Insurance. This is how they are able to weed out all the bad drivers, so all the good drivers that they insure are able to get even better rates. In my opinion, this is an awesome policy simply because it rewards all the good drivers. Best of all, you have all the information in your Root Car Insurance app. You're going to have your insurance cards, your policy, all of that stuff. So it will be extremely handy. All you have to do is open the app and you'll be there ready to go. Also, they do send a paper copy in the mail, so you're going to get that as well. So in my opinion, Root Car Insurance is absolutely amazing. Best of all, you are able to add vehicles, remove vehicles, add drivers, remove drivers in about 30 seconds. So in my opinion, that is an awesome feature. I do not have to call an agent. I do not have to be on the phone for 20, 30 minutes, getting a quote, any of that stuff. Everything is in the mobile app and it's super easy to do. All right, everybody, those are my top 3 apps that can save you some money. Personally, I love all 3 of them. I've been using them for multiple years, and best of all, they're super easy to do, super simple, and they actually work. They pay you the money and you can do whatever you want with your earnings. Sometimes it's not how much money you can make, but how much money you can save. I am not saying that you are going to save $1 million with these apps tomorrow, but every little bit counts. If you can save $50 on gas every single month or $100 off of your car insurance, over time, these small amounts will add up. And then if you invest them properly, they can grow to even bigger amounts. All right, everybody, that concludes this quick video. If you enjoyed it, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite money saving app. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.